Welcome to Lincoln Tech in Mahwah, New Jersey. Students from northern New Jersey and upstate New York choose Lincoln Tech for training in an exciting range of transportation and skilled trades career paths. If you want a career working with cars, robotics, welding, or installing and repairing HVAC and electrical systems, Lincoln Tech's Mahwah campus can get you started. Employers from the region choose Lincoln Tech grads thanks to the valuable relationships that have lasted for decades. Driven by the technology powering today's cars, trucks, and SUVs, our Automotive Service Technology program happens inside 14 fully stocked bays and specialized training rooms. These bays and rooms are sponsored by our partner companies, including BMW and more. Today's auto technicians are doing a lot more than turning wrenches, and our auto program will help you build the specialized high-tech skills that our partner dealerships across the region are looking for. Those dealerships include almost all of the top names: Audi, Mercedes, Tesla, Lexus, Mini, Mazda, Ford, Toyota, and many, many more. When you train in our Advanced Manufacturing with Robotics program, you can become part of the future of manufacturing. Using industry-standard computerized manufacturing machines, you'll learn to produce components for electronics and cell phones, the auto industry, healthcare, and even NASA. Yes, that NASA. Students can take part in an incredible joint venture with the space agency, manufacturing items for use on the International Space Station. Robotics are at the heart of today's manufacturing industry, and you'll learn how to set up, program, and run the machines, making factory work a thing of the past. In our welding labs, we train students to become structural and pipe welders. This is Welding Technology. Individual welding booths feature Miller equipment like MIG, TIG, and stick torches. Miller Augmented Arc virtual welding trainers give you hands-on experience in a safe, computer-based environment before you try out your first real welds. This is a career path that's extremely versatile and can help you land a job in dozens of industries, from infrastructure to aerospace, when you graduate. Air conditioning, refrigeration, and heating systems technology training at Lincoln Tech's Mahwah campus includes courses in all major facets of refrigeration, heating, and energy efficiency. Students even learn to perform energy audits in a mock house. Many Lincoln Tech HVAC graduates now own their own businesses across the Garden State. Graduates can also apply for additional advanced training with Hussman at the TechX Training Center in Grand Prairie, Texas. Employers like Johnson Controls International help power Lincoln Tech's Electrical and Electronic Systems Technology program, where future professionals build skills for working with both high and low voltage electrical equipment. Our curriculum includes hands-on practice with electrical wiring and cabling, fire alarm systems, electrical controls, and system integration. This is another area that offers tremendous opportunity to get out from behind a desk and into the field. If you're training in our daytime classes, bus service is provided from Yonkers and the Bronx. At Lincoln Tech, all of our staff and team members, from admissions to education and financial aid to career services, are focused on your individual success. We hope that you enjoyed this tour of Lincoln Tech's Mahwah campus, and we look forward to seeing you here soon. If you'd like to learn more, please visit our website at lincolntech.edu.